Computational Genomics and Technology Lab, and this is a lab that I typically refer to simply as the Bioinformatics Lab. And this really grew out of discussions that we've had with various faculty, particularly in the biology department, about what can we do to bring together researchers in the biology department with computational people, such as myself, to answer some of the key, most important questions in biology these days. So this space is really dedicated to collaborative projects. It's not meant to house a single group, but groups working together. Groups working together to answer new questions about biology. So, for example, it could bring together groups such as myself with other groups in the biology department, maybe some group from the Center for Southwest Biology, to really understand the genome and hence the biology of some of these non-model organisms. One of the key questions we're trying to develop right now is a new diagnostic for COVID, which is very timely given the current circumstances. We're developing new technologies and new methods for rapid sequencing of the entire coronavirus genome that can be used not just for diagnosis, but then tracing and understanding transmission and where the disease is coming from. The Bioinformatics facility, or the Computational Genomics and Technology Center, is located on the second floor of the PAIS building. So this new space in PAIS is really ideal because some of the most important questions outstanding in biology are not answered by a single group, but they're answered by collaborative groups. And PAIS really brings collaborative groups together. The idea to bring wet lab biologists with computational scientists together to answer these questions, it's ideal. You can tell that the mission of the building is not to have a bunch of individual separate groups, but yet have collaborative space where groups can interact, where students can interact, where students can meet with faculty, meet with each other, and talk science. I think this is the future. I think this is how all buildings should be in the future. Not bringing together scientists that are the same, but bringing together scientists that are different, that think differently, that have different skill sets. This is really what we need to train students to go out into the world.